good mornings. Hope you all are good. This video is for 12th standard students. Today I will give you some exercises. Today we will do exercises of your SB textbooks of your first chapter, that is Introduction to Corporate Finance. You all know that new syllabus in a 2020. So of your first chapter, that is Introduction to Corporate Finance. So today we will be do exercises. So without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1. Select the correct answers from the options given below and rewrite the statement. First is uh, First, dash is related to money and money is management. Answer is finance. Second, finance is the management of a dash affairs of the company. Answer is monetary. Third, corporation finance deals with the acquisitions and use of dash by business corruption corporation. Answer is capital. Fourth, company has to pay dash to government taxes. Fifth, dash refer to any kind of fixed assets. Answer is fixed capital. Sixth, dash refer to the excess of current assets over current liabilities. Answer is working capital. Seventh, manufacturing industries have to invest dash amount of funds to acquire fixed assets. Answer is huge. Seventh questions, when the population is increasing at a high rate, certain manufacturers find this as an opportunity to dash business, expand business. Ninth, the sum of all dash is a gross working capital, current assets. Tenth, dash means mix up of various sources of funds in a desired proportion. Answer is capital structure. So all have done. Fill in the blanks of your first question number 1. So next move on to the next, that is B of your match the followings. Group A and Group B divided. So first is capital budgeting. Answer is sixth, that is investment decision. Second, fixed capital. Answer is fifth, fixed assets. Working capital. Answer is sum of current assets. First, capital structure. Answer is ninth, mix up of various sources of funds. Fifth last, corporate finance. Answer is second, deal with the acquisition and use of capital. So let's move on to the next, C, that is write a words or of a terms or a phrases which can substitute each of the following statement. I can zoom for you, okay? So first is a key determinant of success of any business function. Answer is finance. Second, the decisions of finance managers which ensures that firm is well capitalized. Answer, financing decision. Third, the decision of finance managers to deploy the funds in a systematic manner. Third, investment decision. Fourth, capital needed to acquire fixed assets which are used for a longer period of time. Answer is fixed capital. Fifth, sorry, the sum of current assets is working capital. Sixth, the excess of a current assets over current liabilities. Answer is working capital. Seventh, the process of a converting raw materials into finished good, that is production cycle. Seventh, the process, okay, finish, okay. Eight, the booms and the bombs and recession cycles in the economy, business cycle. Ninth, the ratio of different sources of funds in the total capital, that is what? That is capital structure. Tenth, the internal sources of financing, retained earning. So let's move on to the next, that is sorry also that is D, sorry, okay. D, state whether the following statement true or false. So first is Finance is related to money and money management. Answer is true. Second, business firm gives a green signals to the project only when it is a profitable. So answer is true. Third, corporate finance brings corporations between various business activities. Answer is true. Fourth, fixed capital is also referred as a circulating capitals. Fourth is false. Fifth, working capital stays in the business almost permanently. That is false. Sixth, the business will require huge funds if assets are required on a lease basis. Is also false. Sixth, false. Seventh, the business detailings in a luxurious product will require huge amount of working capital. True. 8. A firm with a large scale operations will require more working capital. That is true. Ninth, liberal credit policies creates a problems of a bad debt. True. 10th, financial institutions and banks caters to the working capital requirement of a business. True. E. Finds the odd man out. First, land and buildings, plants and machineries, and cash. So the land and buildings and plants and machinery different is cash. Second, debentures, capitals, equity shares, capital, preference share, capital. Answer is debenture capital. Third, fixed capitals, capital structures, working capital. Answer is capital structure. F. Complete the sentence. Initial planning of a capital requirement is made by dash financial manager. Second, when there is a boom in an economy, sales will dash increase. Boom, sorry. When there is a boom in economies, sales will increase also. Okay, the process of converting the raw material into finished good is called a production cycle. Previously we learned. I told you. Fourth, during the recession period, sales will dash decrease, not increase, decrease. Okay. So G, select the correct option from the bracket. Okay. So first is a financing decision. Answer is to have a right amount of capital. Second, B dash, and group B is also longer period of time. So answer is fixed capital. Third, investment decision. Answer is deploy fund in a systematic manner. Fourth, working capital, circulating capital. Fifth, security mix. So, okay, combination of a various sources of fund, that is capital structure. So, I correct the underlined words and rewrite the following sentence. You have to correct it. Okay. So first is finance is needed to pay dividend to debentures holder. So the answer is finance is needed to pay interest to debentures holder, not a dividend, is interest. So finance is needed to pay interest, not a debenture. Okay, dividend. Okay. Second, when there is a recession in economy, sales will increase. When there is a boom in economy, sales will increase. Third, or dash, share is an acknowledgement of a loan raised by company. No. Debenture is an acknowledgement of a loan raised by company. Fourth, equity shares carry dividend at a fixed rate. No. Preference shares carry dividend at a fixed rate. Okay. So that's it. All we have done. So we will be meeting next time. So stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.